As we step into the year 2026, the landscape of coding education continues to evolve dramatically, shaped by emerging technologies and social dynamics. Learning to code is no longer confined to traditional classrooms. It's accessible through a vibrant mix of online platforms, community workshops, and immersive coding boot camps. This democratization of knowledge offers aspiring developers diverse pathways to acquire essential skills, catering to various learning styles and time constraints. In 2026, artificial intelligence has transformed how we interact with coding languages. AI-driven tools now offer real-time assistance, debugging, and code generation, making the learning process more intuitive. A beginner can experiment with coding concepts while receiving instant feedback, which not only reduces frustration but also fosters a deeper understanding of programming fundamentals. The power of AI allows learners to engage with code in ways that were unimaginable just a few years prior, opening up endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. However, the reality of learning to code in this digital age isn't without its challenges. The sheer volume of resources available can be overwhelming, leading to confusion and decision fatigue for newcomers. With countless languages, frameworks, and tools to choose from, determining the right starting point becomes a daunting task. Furthermore, the rapid pace of technological advancement means that learners must be adaptable and willing to continuously update their skills. In this landscape, persistent curiosity and the ability to learn from failure become vital attributes for aspiring coders. Beyond the technical aspects, the coding community has also evolved significantly. In 2026, diverse and inclusive groups are more prominent, fostering an environment where underrepresented voices in tech are amplified. Collaborative projects and open source contributions are encouraged, allowing learners to not only study but also participate in real-world applications of their skills. The camaraderie within this community propels individuals forward, inspiring creativity and problem solving while building lasting relationships. It's a supportive ecosystem that champions mentorship and shared growth. Ultimately, the reality of learning to code in 2026 is a dynamic interplay of opportunities and obstacles. Embracing the journey requires grit and determination, as well as a willingness to engage with both the technological and social dimensions of coding. As individuals embark on this path, they become not just proficient coders, but also empowered innovators, ready to shape a future driven by technology and creativity. The coding experience of today paves the way for tomorrow's limitless potential.